Welcome to my channel on YouTube. I am here to present you with this video on YouTube. Enjoy the show.
This is a sub called Rotisserie Chicken Sub. And what I'm going to show you okay, I got interrupted by a train. But there's a rotisserie chicken sub. I pretty much put everything on it. I also added mayonnaise, vinegar oil, ranch, and buffalo. Now I'm going to try it. Before I try it, this is the rotisserie chicken seen here. And now I'm going to try to take a bite of it. It's right about here. Can't if you can see it. Excellent. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. You can also comment on it. You can also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching my video. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Check out my social media networks and my blogs. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.